Hello, I am Jeannie, Appvance's friendly guide to modern software testing. Need to write a test script for your Windows or Citrix environment applications? Don't know how to start? Say hello to the all-new Desktop Designer, the game changer in AI-powered script creation. In this video, I will show you the all-new Desktop Designer from Appvance that will help you write tests 10 times faster and with 80% less maintenance than other desktop test recorders. With Windows Desktop Designer, automating any Windows desktop application is incredibly easy. To get started, you simply create a new script and your configuration file only needs the IP address. We'll be using a root session, which gives us full access to all applications and settings on the Windows computer. Once you press record, a session will be established with the host of the application under test. You'll see a screen similar to a remote desktop session. By right-clicking, you access a context menu filled with features for every interaction that you need to make with your desktop application. You can execute any application by performing a double-click. Visual accessors offer an easy way to build resilient scripts that work even if the object changes its position or if the accessors change in the latest build. Create your script effortlessly with point and shoot, no coding required. However, our powerful IDE is equipped with JavaScript functions for creating complex flows when needed, just as you can with web and mobile designers. Playback is super fast, and you can enable fallback accessors to make your scripts more resilient to accessor changes. Additionally, you can perform self-healing, which automatically updates all available accessors for each step. Desktop Designer benefits: write scripts 10 times faster, even when the UI changes. 80% less maintenance. DevOps ready for CI/CD integration and results reporting. Navigates through IBMI and iSeries systems. Includes all testing capabilities including visual accessors, OCR verifications, fallback accessors, and self-healing mechanisms. Compatible with Windows and Citrix environment applications. Now you can write scripts 10 times faster that work even when the UI changes and require 80% less maintenance. Experience the full spectrum of testing capabilities. It's genius. Contact the Appvance sales team to get started using Desktop Designer.